Here's how to factory lace Air Max 97s. We're going to start by taking our lace and we're going to feed each lace ends up through the two very bottom lace loops here, one at a time. So let's start with this lace. Wiggle it through. It can be a bit fiddly, so just remember to take your time. Don't worry about pulling that lace all the way through. Instead, go ahead and swap to the other lace end and bring it up through the little lace loop. Just feed it through. And then once you've fed it through a little way, go ahead and bring your lace ends together like this. Grab a hold of your sneakers and just pull the remainder of that lace through till it's nice and straight. And what this will mean is your laces will come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Pause the video and take a moment to make sure they're equal before we carry on. Another thing to mention, if you need to play the video at a half speed, that's totally fine. Just go at whatever speed you need to suit you. These lace loops are very fiddly. Remember, there's no rush at all to keep up. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to take the lace end through these two tongue loops here, one at a time. Let's bring that lace end through the one, then feed it through the other, and pull it all the way through. Great. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it up through the next lace loop. So just take your lace end through there, just wiggle it through. Looking good. Then we're going to swap back to our other lace and do the exact same. We're going to take this lace and we're going to feed it through these tongue loops, making sure that it's sitting on top of the other lace that's already there. So pull that through, feed it through the other tongue loop and pull that through. See what I mean? So it's sat on the top. It'll give you a really crisp look. Then we keep a hold of this lace end and we're going to bring it up through the little lace loop on this side. Looking good. Now we are going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to repeat that pattern. We're going to take it through the tongue loops. And then we're going to bring it up into the next empty lace loop here. Pulling that through. Great. Then we're going to take a hold of the other lace and repeat that, making sure it goes through the tongue loops and is sat on top of the other lace. So just pull that through the other one. Looking good. And then we're going to bring it through the next empty loop. Looking good. We want to make sure there's no twists or creases in our laces so it looks really crisp. And then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and feed it through these final tongue loops here. And then through the next empty lace loop. Swap back to the other lace and we're going to repeat that. We're going to bring it through those tongue loops one at a time. Again, making sure it's sat on top and following the pattern. And then up through the next empty lace loop on this side. So that's the fiddly part done. Now it's a little bit easier and we're just going to continue that pattern. We're going to bring this over the sneaker tongue and through the next lace loop. Now that we're done with the tongue loops, we can just do that. And then we're going to swap back to the other one. We're going to grab it, bring it over the sneaker tongue and just through the next lace loop. Looking good. Now we're going to do it one more time for the final lace loops. Bring this lace over the sneaker tongue, through the final lace loop, grab a hold of the other one, and then we're going to bring it through the final lace loop on this side. Just like this. Now we've filled in all of the lace loops, we're going to bring our laces together and tie a factory knot. And the way to do this is to put your finger underneath the two laces, like this at the top. Twist it round until you have a little loop like that. Slip your finger out and put two fingers in so you're ready to pinch. And then take these excess laces and pinch those between your two fingers. Slip that big loop through and then go ahead and pull it tight and you'll have a factory knot. Then you can just go ahead and adjust it to your liking and it will sit on top of your sneakers and they'll look as fresh as they did out of the box.